In this exercise, question 8.1.10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR has been given as 25 centimeters, and one of the side making that 90 degrees angle is PQ, which has been given as 5 centimeter. We are supposed to calculate the value of sine, cosine, and tangent value of the angle P. Now, in order to evaluate sine, cosine, and tangent, which are trigonometric ratio, we need opposite side, hypotenuse, and the adjacent side. So first of all, the right angle triangle should be completely known in terms of three sides. Let's quickly draw a diagram. Let us assume that this is triangle PQR with 90 degrees at Q. We have been given that PQ is 5 centimeter, and we know that the addition of two sides is 25. We don't know their individual values. So one of them we are going to assume as x. So let's say x centimeter. And since the total of the two sides is 25, the other side must be 25 minus x. Now, this is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem, and we can say the square of the two sides added together must be the square of the larger or hypotenuse side. So let's say 5 square, which is this one, plus x square, which is this one, should be equivalent of 25 minus x, the whole bracket square. Now let's try to simplify this one. 5 square is 25, x square kept as it is. Now this we will use the formula of a minus b square. A minus b, the whole bracket square, is a square minus twice of their product 2ab plus last term b square. So 25 square is 625 minus twice of their product. Now their product is 25x, but twice, so 50x, and plus last term square. So that would be x square. Now we can get rid of x square from both sides, and we can simplify this as negative 50x will be transferred to this side, becomes positive 50x, and this 25 goes to the opposite side, becomes negative 25, so that would be 600. So now x, if you divide both sides by 50, x will come out to be 12. That means the value of x, the QR side, will be now 12 centimeter, and PR, which happens to be the hypotenuse, that is 25 minus 12, will be 13 centimeter. Now, once we have known all three sides, let us concentrate on which angle they are asking us. They are asking the angle for P. So let us concentrate on angle P. Now, in any triangle, the largest side opposite to 90 degrees will be hypotenuse. It doesn't matter for which angle you are going this one. Hypotenuse remains hypotenuse for any angle. But as far as angle P is concerned, QR is directly facing opposite. So it will be opposite, and the last side will be adjacent. Now we are supposed to calculate sine P. Now the definition of sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So just substitute the value 12, which is this one, opposite divided by hypotenuse is 13. Similarly, we can evaluate cosine. For cosine, the definition is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So cos P is adjacent 5 and hypotenuse is 13. Now tan can be calculated in one of the two ways. Let's see both one by one. Tangent, according to the definition, opposite over adjacent. So that would be 12 divided by 5. So this is one way of calculating tangent. Another way is, since you already know sine and cosine, we can use the fact that tan is nothing but ratio of sine divided by cos. So that would be tan of any angle is sine of the same angle divided by cosine of the same angle. So you can either calculate tangent using this technique, or you can use this formula. 12 over 13 divided by 5 over 13. This divided by 13 will get cancelled, and eventually you will be left with 12 over 5, which is the same answer what you have got from using the definitions of sides.